This is my remote controlled ATV. Let's turn it on and see how it works. Okay, now it's on. Here's the remote. As you can see, here's a little birdie. But it says brand select, adjust, match chances setting. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's put it on 1. Make sure this is on. And there we go. Sometimes it goes backwards. You also turn the handlebars so the front wheels turn. Battery's a little low, but still works. We got a headlight attached to it. So flashlight right there, strapped to the headlight, and the Brothers stickers, but did pretty good on it though. So, and I put a brick back here for a weight, about like 3 pounds, good enough for a small kid. Let's go for a test drive. Sometimes the back wheel kind of slides a little bit. And this was made of Honda. So, it's got cool rims. It's got a little motor function. So basically I took one of my remote control cars and put it on here. And then wired it here. And down here I used a paper clip to connect the circuit. So, and I used a 9.6 volt battery to power it. So that's my remote controlled ATV.